In this video, I'm taking a look at this dispenser. Alright, so we're taking a look at this dispenser. Essentially, it is a motion activated button pusher. So it's overall a really cool unit because you don't have to worry about filling up bottles. For example, I have this, which I have to refill, which is fine, but sometimes it's nice to not have to deal with that. This gives you an option to use your own dispenser, or you could use dispensers that are, the actual product that you purchase. So you could use this for hand lotion, hand sanitizer, soap, and I just have a few different items here just to give you an idea of what you're looking at. So you have the option to use items that have up to 2.8 inches as far as the actual base diameter, so that it can sit on the actual little pedestal portion here. And you can go anywhere from 6.4 up to 8.6 inches in height in terms of the actual container that you use. So it comes with a really nice user guide teaching you how to actually use the device. It also has a QR code and the website, so if you have questions or problems, and it's just very easily readable. It is also extremely easy to get this set up using this information. This is the box that it arrives in, and I left it open because I want to praise them on a really good job with choice of foam. So your product should arrive with minimal problem in terms of the packaging if UPS, FedEx, or whoever decides to kick your boxes around, which happens. So it should be pretty nice in terms of keeping it from damage. So the unit itself, it's not super heavy. You put your batteries in down here. Takes 6 batteries. You have this little knob here, which is a lock and an unlock. So if you lock it, this isn't going anywhere. Unlock it, you can adjust. Back here you have the actual amount this pushes down, which is going to determine how much of the actual liquid is dispensed. And then over here you have your off and your on button. So if I go ahead and turn this on, so it's very simple operation. There's also a low battery indicator, so if this light comes on, you need to change your batteries. And in terms of use, it's extremely easy. So I have a few different things here. They all fit and work just fine. So if I unlock this, raise it up, you basically want to set this down and try to center it as best you can with a little black rubber knob right there. If that is missing or you comes off, it's going to be hard plastic. It's not going to work as well. So you basically just want to press the top of this down so that there's a slight amount of pressure put on the actual pump. And once you've done that, you go ahead and lock that in place, and that will keep the actual bottle in place, so it's not going to slide and move around and everything. And then after you do that, you can make whatever adjustments you need to in terms of the actual amount of liquid that is dispensed. But as you can see, it's not going to fall out just because it is holding a slight amount of pressure. So again, operation super easy, and it works quite well. You can get a small amount or a large amount depending on how much you adjust the button, but I just wanted to share that with you. I think this is a really great alternative option than having to use the plastic bottles. It's more attractive looking than the others in my opinion, and it seems to be really well made as a whole. So anyway, it's just a really quick look at what I think is a really nice product, and it works on a multitude of different bottles. So no issues observed as of now, but anyway, that's it. I'll leave some links below the video if you want to find out more about this, but I think this is a great alternative than just using whatever the bottle product is and having to refill and mess with some of the others. They get quite messy. And so anyway, I hope that's helpful. I hope you realize just how simple this is to use. And again, if you want to find out more, links below the video. Thanks for watching.